Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Intercom for sales handoff and dropshipping, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Intercom for sales handoff and dropshipping, begin by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, locate the integration section. Click on integrations to explore available options. Find the e-commerce category and select it. Search for your dropshipping platform or relevant application within the e-commerce integrations. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your dropshipping account to Intercom. Once connected, proceed to set up the user segment for your sales team. Go to Messages in the left sidebar and click on In-App Messages. Create a new message campaign focusing on sales handoff. Customize the message content to inform users about transferring to the sales team. Set the targeting rules to display this message when users engage with your product. After creating the campaign, enable it by toggling the switch to active. Next, integrate your CRM system with Intercom. Return to the settings menu and click on Data and API. Select Data Sync and follow the instructions to connect your CRM. Ensure your CRM is configured to trigger notifications for user activity. Define the criteria for lead scoring to prioritize customers based on their interactions. Return to the dashboard and monitor user engagement analytics. Identify key touchpoints where handoff occurs during the customer journey. Create a workflow within Intercom to automate communication during these handoff moments. Configure notifications for your sales team when a lead is ready for follow-up. Test the entire process to ensure the sales handoff functions smoothly. Gather feedback from your sales team to refine the handoff experience. Regularly review the performance metrics to enhance the integration. With these steps, you'll effectively activate Intercom for a streamlined sales handoff in your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.